Get ready to replace your cabin air filter in your Kia Sportage. It's going to save you money, and there's a link in the description to buy one on the cheap. Here we go. First thing you do, open the glove box. Next, unhook the damper on the side of the glove box. Now you can squeeze the back of the glove box so you can pull it out. To squeeze it, all you got to do is squeeze the back of it. Looks just like this. That reveals the cover to the cabin air filter. There is a clip you need to squeeze, and then pull it out, and the other end pops out. There's the air filter. Just grab it and pull it right out. When you replace it, you want to wedge it to the left side first because it's pretty tight, and then push the right side in after, and push it right in, making sure the airflow is pointing down. When replacing the cover, put the left side in first, and then the right side will clip. It's going to make that sound. Now you need to squeeze the back of that glove box again to put it back in place. Don't forget to attach the damper. And now all you need to do is close the glove box. You're done, and you're a pro. You just saved some money. If this video helped you out, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And subscribe to Fix and Play, where you can find more videos just like this one. Have a great day.